I don't know whether what I'm about to do is right or wrong.
Three by t delta x minus delta y vu upon
SL. A long equation, and it's very bad for my back. But basically, what it says is that quantum mechanics allows relative density to be negative because it's based on uncertainty principle. What it means basically is that certain qualities of a particle, like its position and its speed, can't both have defined values.
Sir! Sir! Sir, ये Terminator DVDs आपने मंगाए थे.
Thank you. You know what? I completely forgot. Thank you. My son would have killed me. मैं 3 दिन में वापस करता हूँ.
No sir, don't worry about returning. See you tomorrow.
Nice sir. See you.
See you.
And thank you.
I'll be back.
Yeah, right.
टैक्सी
जावेरी
जावेरी
बाजार
सर सॉरी लगता है आप जल्दी में
नहीं, कोई
चलिए
बात
मैं आपको ड्रॉप कर देता हूँ.
आप जाइए, आप
अरे
जाइए।
सर प्लीज मैं भी उसी
कोई
तरफ जा
बात
रहा
नहीं,
हूँ.
मैं दूसरी टैक्सी ले
सर
लूँगा.
प्लीज
जाइए.
प्लीज इंसिस्ट मैं आपको ड्रॉप कर देता हूँ. हम एक ही तरफ जा रहे हैं प्लीज
ओके,
प्लीज.
थैंक यू.
Do I know you or something?
Actually, I'm an ex-student of the college, and so I've been following your work, and I'm a big fan of the time travel theory you've been working on.
Really? I didn't know I had fans.
So you're watching the Terminator tonight?
या अगेन यू सी मेरा 11 साल का बेटा है एंड ही जस्ट लव्स द टर्मिनेटर सीरीज. हर महीने 2-3 बार ही देख ही लेते हैं.
Yeah. I mean, I love the film as well. So you know, in the film, there's this John Connor character, the freedom fighter from the future. He sends back this Reese character in time to protect his mother, and
Yeah.
who in turn ends up getting his mother pregnant, thus becoming John Connor's father.
So
तो मेरा सवाल है कि जॉन कॉनर का ओरिजिनल बाप कौन था?
Original Baba. You mean his actual father?
Yeah, I mean, is it even possible to go back in the past and change the future?
See, I think it's possible. I think it's possible. That's the thing. वो फ्यूचर चेंज कर सकता है, लेकिन वो फ्यूचर नहीं जहाँ से वो आया है, वो चेंज नहीं कर सकता. बिकॉज यू सी वो फ्यूचर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करता है, एंड बिकॉज इट ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट इट कैन बी चेंज. तो वो फ्यूचर जैसा है वो चलता रहेगा वैसे ही, बस वो नहीं रहेगा वहाँ पे. The thing is, by going back into the past, he's created an alternate present. And now this present will have its own future. So, at least theoretically, it's possible to have more than one futures. Does it make sense, जो मैं कह रहा हूँ?
Yeah, I guess so. So that's why it's possible to travel back in time, but
Exactly. But you can't go back to the future. How come you're interested in all this? Are you doing a thesis or something? Because I could help you.
no, it's not a thesis.
Just a science fiction fan, are you?
Yeah, I guess.
Mom.
मॉम मैं जा रहा हूँ. I don't want to leave you alone, but I have to do something, okay? वो सामने दुकान आ रही है ना, जरा वहाँ पे रोकेंगे 2 मिनट प्लीज.
अरे you can't stop now.
सॉरी मेरे को बस 2 मिनट. आई जस्ट नीड टू गेट समथिंग फॉर माय मदर प्लीज.
Listen, but I have to get something.
सर 1 मिनट लगेगा बस. ये 1 सेकंड. सॉरी प्लीज सर 1 सेकंड बस. वो आगे कहीं नहीं मिलेगा सर प्लीज. सॉरी.
This is not fair, you know.
Just 1 second सर प्लीज. सॉरी.
क्या आदमी है यार?
कर क्या रहा है ये आदमी?
सॉरी सो सॉरी. सॉरी.
अभी सॉरी का क्या फायदा होगा? अगर लेट हो गए तो जिस काम के लिए मैं जा रहा हूँ वो तो नहीं होगा ना यार. मैंने बोला तुमको यार, मुझे पहुंचना है किसी जगह पे, इसीलिए मैं टैक्सी नहीं शेयर करना चाहता था. I have to be somewhere, I have to pick up a gift and that shop will close at 1 o'clock. And then I'm screwed.
Gift for your wife?
Yes, for my wife. It's our wedding anniversary. I cannot go home without the gift.
नहीं सर, it's not a problem. मुझे शॉर्टकट पता है. You have your gift in no time. भैया आप यहाँ से लेफ्ट इन.
और थोड़ा जल्दी ले लीजिए प्लीज.
Congratulations on your anniversary.
Thank you.
How long's it been?
How long? It's been 12 years. तुम्हारी लाइफ में कोई है? कोई खास?
I know it's hard, सांझ. ना ये तुम्हारे लिए आसान है ना मेरे लिए. Sanj, how am I supposed to watch my mother sit there every day, live every moment of her life with the guilt that my father died because of her? He was the only man she ever loved. Sanj. Listen. Even I don't know whether what I'm about to do is right or wrong.
Don't do it now. Please. How can you let go of our future because of your past? What's more important?
God, I love you so much. I promise you, मैं जिंदगी भर तुम्हारे साथ रहूंगा. भरोसा है मुझ पे?
Remember to pick up the necklace.
गाड़ी साइड में.
What? Why are you stopping the car?
यार
गाड़ी मत रोकिए प्लीज, आप चलिए. What are you doing?
please,
What is this?
please.
Where did you get this from? I was going to pick this. Where did you get this from?
I'm your son.
Sorry? What?
1 p.m. August 25th, 2003. A bomb explodes at Zaveri Bazaar and Gateway of India. It kills 54 people, and you are one of those people that dies inside your car.
What is this bullshit?
Listen, no. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm here to prevent something. I intend on succeeding.
You trying to tell me you're telling me you come from the future? That's what you're trying to tell me?
2016.
Right.
नाम शायन अवीक मुखोपाध्याय. जन्म जून 10th 1994. माँ का नाम अस्मिता मुखोपाध्याय, फॉर्मली अस्मिता रॉय. उनके माँ बाप का नाम आनंद और दिबांजलि रॉय. आप लोगों की पहली मुलाकात जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी में हुई थी while you were doing your engineering in 1981. A woman who was so full of life is now just a vegetable. Okay, your accident made her lose everything.
Okay, stop this shit. Stop it right now. Who are you? How do you know all this? What are you trying to do? Listen, don't bullshit. Don't bullshit me about time travel. I know, okay? I wasn't born yesterday.
Close your ears.
आप गाड़ी चलाइए please.
नहीं,
बेकार की बात मत.
close your ears.
चलिए आप गाड़ी चलाइए please.
Please close your ears now. Close your ears.
Sweetie, this is for you.
You made it?
25 साल. Cheers guys, cheers. There you go.
Happy 25th anniversary.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Arey, why are you late? Come, Shine.
I have a reason.
Hi.
Oh my God. We have a valid reason for it.
And it's a pleasure, absolute pleasure. Congratulations. Thank you so much. You are
This is some love story, Shine. Really. I mean, you kept your promise to Sanj through the other Shine. Wow. You know, I'll never be able to thank you enough for what you've done. For me, for us. You gave up your life for us. You lost your life, you lost the love of your life. I mean,
Well, you're wrong. I've lost nothing. I've only gained. I've gained a father. gained my love back. Well, kind of.
I know.
No, I haven't lost anything.
Good then. Because I can't complain either. I've got 2 sons now. और एक दोस्त पिछले 13 सालों से. Thank you for everything, Shah. Thank you.